These handy tools make joinery easy and affordable. Even a newbie DIY woodworker can create professional-looking joints without investing hundreds of dollars in tools. Ranging from basic jigs for casual dyers to large bench-mounted jigs for experienced woodworkers, the following picks rank as some of the top pocket hole jigs available. We should know we spent a full day testing them. Find out more about the criteria we use to select this lineup, how we put these tools through their paces, and how each of our picks performed in testing. There are many products available to choose from, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews of customers, and compiled a list of the best pocket hole jigs from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Kreg KPH J320 Pocket Hole Jig 320. The Kreg KPH J320 emerges as an outstanding multi-purpose pocket hole jig designed specifically for DIY wood projects. Featuring 2 drill guides, a removable spacer, and adaptable stops suitable for materials of various thicknesses ranging from 1/2, 3/4 to 1.5 inches, it offers versatility in woodworking tasks. The package includes essential accessories such as a combination hex key material thickness gauge tool, a step drill bit with adjustable depth stop and stop collar, a clamp adapter pad, and a square drive screwdriver bit, all conveniently organized within a durable plastic carry case. Crafted from robust plastic polymer and hardened steel housing, alongside a non-skid base and hardened steel drill guide sleeves, this jig ensures durability and dependability. Its adjustable design makes it a practical choice for a wide array of woodworking projects. By utilizing slide and twist locking tabs on the drill guides and spacer, users can effortlessly reconfigure the assembly for single hole, narrow double hole, or spaced double hole applications. Number 2. Masco Twin Pocket Hole Jig Set. Frequently, individuals may find themselves acquiring a tool specifically for completing a particular project. Masco offers an affordable pocket hole jig set that appeals to occasional dyers who utilize such a tool for just a few projects each year. This cost-effective set features 2 guide holes and includes essential components like a drill bit, hex key, and stop collar, providing all necessary elements for wood joining via pocket holes. Designed for simplicity, this set can accommodate lumber ranging from 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches in thickness. It incorporates a built-in material thickness stop and a drill depth setting gauge for added convenience. Furthermore, a built-in magnet securely holds the quick change thickness stop plate, enabling swift and effortless operation with steel clamps. The straightforward one-piece design of the Masco Twin Jig caught our attention. The drill guide holes are precisely spaced at 1.5 inches on center, making it ideal for drilling double pocket holes in the end of 1x2 lumber. Its compact size makes it particularly suitable for smaller projects such as joining picture frame corners, enhancing its versatility and practicality. Number 3. Kreg KPH J920 Pocket Hole Jig XL. Most pocket hole jigs are tailored for small to medium scale projects, typically involving lumber between 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches in thickness, such as framing artwork or crafting cabinetry. However, for more substantial construction projects, the Kreg XL jig offers a solution by accommodating posts and timbers ranging from 1.5 inches up to 3.5 inches thick, making it particularly suitable for tasks involving 2x4 and 4x4 boards. The kit includes 2 XL drill guides, a 1/2 inch diameter XL step drill bit with an easy set depth stop collar, a hex key, a non-slip adjustable clamp pad, and a 3XL square driver bit. Constructed from heavy-duty polymer material, similar to other Kreg jigs we've reviewed, this model features hardened steel guide sleeves and a non-skid rubber base, ensuring durability and stability during use. The drill guides feature removable material thickness gauges and are connected by twist and slide locking tabs, offering versatility for various applications. Number 4. General Tools 850 Easy Pro Deluxe Pocket Hole Jig Kit. Crafted from a single piece of cast aluminum, General Tools Pocket Jig stands out for its durability, surpassing plastic alternatives. This heavy-duty pocket jig, available at an affordable price point, guarantees longevity across numerous pocket drilling projects. The 850 model from General Tools features a user-friendly built-in clamping system, expediting project completion while incorporating steel drill guide sleeves for added durability. Alongside the jig, the kit includes a drill bit, stop collar, and hex wrench, accompanied by a starter set consisting of 50 coarse or fine square screws, 25 wooden pocket hole plugs, and a sturdy plastic carrying case. This pocket hole jig kit serves as a versatile tool, suitable for both portable use and bench-mounted applications. We consider this product an outstanding choice for individuals seeking a robust pocket hole jig suitable for wood ranging from a ½ inch to 3/4 inch thick. Number 5. Masco M2 Pro Aluminum Pocket Hole Jig System Bundle. The Masco M2 comes with a price tag more than double that of the second highest priced pocket hole jig in our selection, and our assessments revealed reasons why this added cost may be justified. Right from the start, the superior quality of materials was evident in the cast aluminum construction, the smooth operation of the adjustable steel drill guide, and the sturdy face clamp. As we continued to use the tool, we discovered further thoughtful performance improvements and convenient features. Mounting the jig onto a benchtop was simple. We secured it using 4 screws through the mounting holes in the base plate. Alternatively, users have the option of mounting it to a T-track system. The face clamp smoothly shifted forwards and backward to secure and release a workpiece, significantly streamlining the positioning of workpieces. Adjusting the clamp to accommodate the thickness of the wood took a few seconds, yet it was an uncomplicated task. Once adjusted, it remained securely in place, requiring minimal effort to release. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information. If you want to know the product price, please do check my description for any kind of problem, and please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.